Hello, hi, I am the birthday boy. Notice the hat. Garden updates are back. I've been away for a while. Well, not that long. Garden updates have been gone for a while. But got back yesterday from Ireland after a week in Scotland and Ireland and planted some seeds probably about 2 weeks ago. And now we have our dramatic update. So let's look. So the garden box has some life after being gone for about 2 weeks. Well, gone for a week since we planted stuff. And I don't totally remember what I planted where. So we're gonna have to wait as we do some pruning. But we have a couple of distinct rows of growth here. One of the rows was kale. Hey, Veronica. Another, I think this is kale. I planted a whole packet of basil because I love it. Kind of make all the pesto. But a lot of lettuce products in the garden box so far this year. And then one row was carrots. So we have some distinct growth. These, I think, are kale. That looks more like lettuce. And then hopefully one of these will be basil. But I am the absent-minded gardener, so it's not the best. And then gotta throw out this rain barrel. It broke. So exciting stuff. This one I planted a couple beans over in the corner. I started those inside. They haven't really grown as much as they did inside, but maybe it's too cold. But fortunately it rained a few times while we were gone. And I can't make much of a salad out of these, right? They're too small. But we will see if the Wi-Fi continues around the front of the house to show off some of the flowers that are coming in. Some grew a little bit. I believe these are gladiolas. Came with the house. And then I think they're ready to bloom. And then for my handy friends, I need to figure out how to fix the gutter. So I cut it last year to try and put on the rain barrels, and kind of screwed it up. So it still technically works, but my trip to Home Depot and my future is off. Hey Ryan, thanks to everybody for the birthday wishes today. Warmed my heart, my cold heart. Going around in the front of the house, a couple more gladiolas. Tulips are dying off. And then we see the treasure trove of dandelions. Look at all those sweet weeds just growing in the lawn. And then this side of the house, plentiful. But that's the garden update. Not a ton yet, but some promising signs. Spring is near. Well, maybe this weekend I'll get some more plants. Looks like it's supposed to be toasty tomorrow, 70 or 80 in the Chicagoland area. So good to get some more plants in the ground, but the up and down of the weather, not great. So birthday plans, I don't know. We're trying to figure out dinner. I don't really know what day or time it is after traveling, but I got my hat. So thanks everybody for the texts and the messages. I greatly appreciate it. Tune in next week, next Tuesday, more garden updates. Bye.